eye, third eye, fifth eye. Keep counting. They will open doors. When you settle your spiritual husband, honey Barry, your spiritual husband will give you physical husband to marry. Someone that is not carnal, but a water child that is spiritual. When you settle your spiritual husband will open doors. You won't just settle your spiritual husband alone. You will feed your spiritual husband. You'll be feeding your spiritual husband. Don't get freaked out. Don't get freaked out, honey Barry. You'll be feeding your spiritual husband and you'll be communicating with your spiritual husband. It's a must. It's something you must do. Some spiritual husbands are stubborn. Some spiritual husbands are nice. It depends your own. As it is to women, so it is to men. My name is Janati from the Seven Seas. Is a Bye.
I love you, baby. Yeah.